Let's go into settings, the gestures. So I have set it, the tilt to wake function off, because the way that it works is, and also the touch to wake. So the tilt to wake function, so right now, if I turn off the screen and I flip it, it's going to show me the basic screen, which is this one right here. And it will turn off in like a few seconds. But if I have the feature set to tilt to wake, then it will turn on this particular watch at the main home screen. Tilt the watch like that.
Till next time, stay safe.
Stay
blessed.
Stay tuned.